Ladies. I don't know how to say ladies, because more men watch Girl Talk than women.
I know.
When I go on the street, I hear them all the time.
I know.
Ladies, would you feel worried, guilty, or even resentful if you earned more than your husband or boyfriend? Ultimately, would you date or marry a guy if you knew you earned more than he does? That's the topic up for grabs in Girl Talk. But we had to get your feedback. Landa, where is my paper before we share ours? So, two you have?
No.
She put it up.
Oh,
Charlene says, yes, I have. When I met my husband, he was working at a carpentry shop. I was in teacher's college. When I got my first job, I was earning way more than him. I assisted him financially to further his education. Today, he's a supervisor earning way more than me, and I'm proud we have accomplished a lot. It makes no sense. Watch the man pocket. Once he's independent, it can work.
Oh, look at that. Delia.
Charlene, happy for you.
Charlene is a strong girl.
Yes.
Delia.
Yes. Go on, babe. Delia
says, well, money isn't everything, even though it's important. If we are both earning, we should be fine. Well, I'm from a humble background, and I'm very old school. I have no problem supporting when needs be, especially since I saw something in this individual to date him in the first place.
All right.
That's what Delia said, not me. I'll make sure I put on Delia's voice.
So on Twitter, at Brittany says, to be honest, even though he earns less money than I do, I wouldn't watch the moment that he earns. All I know is that I would marry him same way.
That you say. I think that moment's supposed to be
moment or amount or money.
Something like that. At Cheryl G2K, she says, yes, marriage vows set through richer or poorer. So I would ask him to take care of whichever of the bills him could afford. Delia, no, talk the things, Delia, because you see, let me tell you something. You see, all of these women that are jumping up now. All right, here's the thing. I can tell you. You see, if we start off together and we are come up together and so, kudos. I'd have no problem with that. Because, one and a for each other. You have to have one another back. You see, if I turn a big actress now, I have millions and millions of dollars, I wouldn't care what you earn. I love you. So the money wouldn't matter. But if I go off of current situation, if you earn less than one. Oh gosh.
Mama tell you something.
I'm sorry for
I like all these. Watch Aaron leave the camera.
Him left the camera.
I like all these fluffy stories about women that help men and they stick with them to the end, and that's great. But I also know stories of women who help men, and once them reach part, they
check what them
they say, I've outgrown you.
Of course.
And they're gone about their
business. But that's
business.
vice versa too. That happens both ways.
Absolutely.
To be fair, that happens both ways.
But you have to know whether he earns more than you or not. You have to know if this person is serious about this relationship. If they're not serious about the relationship, it no matter who earn more than who. Trust and believe.
True that.
No, me like when the lady say him earning, but him still gonna contribute where him can contribute.
That's what counts, not true?
Yeah. So I could work out the budget now. So all you can pay for the credit on the phone, that's all right.
But just make sure the phone always have credit.
Pay for the credit. If you can pay for sugar, flour, salt, that's a year bill a month time. But I have no problem with that. But it cannot be your earns like less so you not contribute nothing.
Oh, yeah.
No.
So in essence, what you're saying is that whomever earns more must be contributing more. So you contribute based on what you earn, the percentage.
I'm not going to tell him to pay a light bill and then every month I still have to go JPS to pay, kind of have it.
Right, so you tell him pay what you can pay.
Yes.
But make sure when you take it on, you manage it.
Yeah, but because I'm saying if you break into the habit of I earn more than you, so you don't need to contribute anything. That's gonna all when him earning equal amount or even more than you. He would have already been in the habit of I don't need to contribute to you. I see if him not contribute to you, mama, him not pay your light bill, but him pay your mortgage elsewhere. And you just go here say, look, I can't live here anymore. And you say, so where you gonna go? But where you go. And then you drive past a townhouse and you see him and my lady flash out them clothes and hang it for the yeah. If him not help you pay the light bill, if he can afford it,
He's paying somebody else's. Why
you're
you so negative, Delia? Oh, you got this so. Why
you
you
gonna work because you earn more, you work harder. When you gonna work, you look on social media and see him down a dream weekend.
Jeez, I'm busy.
See him down a dream weekend.
If I got some best that 1 week.
You work hard and him there dream weekend and you say, hold on. So you say, honey, where you get money? And him say, I don't have no money. I'm a friend them pay for me.
So the money they were
my friend them carry me. Me not have it. My friend them pay for me.
Delia,
that's how
you've had some serious experiences in your life.
No man when me there with West Stay. So can I dream weekend and left me for work? No, sir.
Because that sounds
I hear a lot of complaints and I
far.
don't know why women keep tagging along with
Yeah, don't put yourself in that situation.
No.
That's all I'm saying. Don't put yourself in that situation.
I think men, though, if somebody is willing to put that investment or that sacrifice for you, you should be respectful and be thankful.
Yeah, but in the same breath, does that mean that I must be tied to you for life? A man must be tied to the woman for life if the woman help them? Because if the situation was reversed, may I tell you this straight through. How much woman just get with them get after a while they leave? If the relationship done, it done. So you want a man stay because you give them something?
Darling, that's another girl talk.
I'm just saying.
That's another girl talk. But me have a friend will say if she meet a man and sell Kisco, when them start date, when them broke up, him supposed to still a sell Kisco.
No. She not mean him no good. She not mean him no good. Me not believe so. If I meet him a sell Kisco and him left, he must can sell back juice.
No, but I know women who even help, say, I'll work and you go to school, and as soon as them get them degree,
have it, why not?
Them say, well, I have a degree now, you don't, and it doesn't match my profile that you don't have a degree, and then them go about them business. So you have to know,
If I have the money, it's all right.
So Instagram, we want to hear more from our Smile Jammers on Instagram. Denisha Blake says, I would date a guy who earns less than me. Denisha, you know the wicked
them lie. You know much of them wouldn't, and them not say nothing. I would.
Finances are important, but it's not the most important thing to look for. That's true. On the flip side, though, there is a threshold that the salary has to pass.
Thank you, Denisha.
To ensure that the household is maintained properly. Let's be practical. Love can't buy bread, can't go shop. All right. Sandrine says, been there, done that, and at the end of the day, they always switch up on you when things start changing or going good for them. So the next woman always end up getting the golden end of the stick. Never again. If you don't have enough to bring to the table, then keep walking.
Wow. At least she's being honest, guys. Oh, no, come on. Is she honest? That's how she feels.
You know, there are some great men out there, don't get me wrong, who have ambition and they have potential. But find out if them have the ambition and the potential. That's what I'm saying. If them don't have it, no matter how much money you invest in them, it not gonna help. You go there work and see them a dream weekend.
Delia, what is it? What is it, Delia?
You go there watch ER.
Delia, what is it?
Watch ER, you say.
When you hear the selector say, "What me uncle? You know you have money, wanna close the thing?" So boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, and then say,
I don't say you buy the shirt and the
my dog them a Philip and tell him I say money and floss it. You say, hold on, and he say drinking from my bottle of Hennessy. I say no Hennessy, nothing I want. And him supposed to broke. One Hennessy, when we reach a Hennessy, and you say, why are you? And some of them have no money, you see them come home with the latest phone. You have a banger. Ladies, watch the side. You have a banger, and the man when I have no money come home with a Samsung Galaxy S8
Edge.
Are you have a banger? Something.
Yes.
Then him tell you some friends send down money from foreign.
Him have about 3
or
women.
somebody help him.
That man there is a serial dater. Him have about 3 women and the whole of them mind him.
Just a say.
The whole of them mind him.
Anyway, we have a break. Can I give you a joke that a friend of mine actually knows the guy who was complaining about people eat our food, and she said,
she know him?
She said, no, when I go up, them treat me good, man. Them give me food for eat. So that's why you eat off the man patty.
And she eat the patty.
Good morning, Paula.
No, Paula, she's not your friend. Paula, she's not your friend.
We gotta get more deliberate. Darling, make police investigate that man there. S8 are you a banger.
More.
Come on, girl. Get real. Get real.
We'll still come back.
Get real.